Sydney.
And I'm Olivia.
And we are going to be doing, or trying to do, the sewing machine challenge. The only issue is we do not have a sewing machine. So we're gonna hand sew. How it works is we are going to be given 25 minutes to hand sew a shirt for the other person. We don't know what each other's shirt is gonna look like because we're surprising each other with the fabrics. So if you wouldn't mind closing your eyes, I'm going to show you what fabric her shirt is going to be made out of. It's really, really pretty. Alright, hang on. Okay, you can open now.
Close your eyes. Okay, I had to put it in this bag so she can see it. I taped it shut. Hold on. Whoops.
What was that?
I don't know. Okay, hold on. The tape is stuck. Whoa. Okay, so here's the fabric. Hold on, I'll unfold it a little bit.
Should I be scared?
I don't know. You tell me. Hold on, I gotta put it back. So that's our fabric bag. Okay, hold on, I gotta put it back. The bag, I just totally destroyed this bag. Hold on. Okay, you can open now.
Okay. Alright, and we are going to be in separate rooms doing it at the same exact time. So, we're probably going to switch back and forth between camera views. Wish us luck.
Okay. So, let's see. I've never made a shirt before.
Okay, here we go. So the cuts on the edges aren't going to be very perfect because I'm trying to hurry, so I'm trying to do the shirt part of this. Come on. I'm probably doing this the hard way, but okay, whatever. So I hope she likes octopuses because that's what she's getting. And goldfish.
She's moving the bag.
So we weren't allowed to take measurements, so I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. So, gotta cut this in half this way. Right? Wait, or does it, or does it go this way? And then it goes the other way. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going on vacation tomorrow, so my room's messy, and I decided to dress lazy because I didn't want to wear anything that I was going to pack. So, that's why my clothing choice today is actually rather nice and lazy. I like it. That works. Okay. Where'd my scissors go? Where did I put my scissors? Oh, there they are.
Okay. I gotta get something we have. 21 more minutes. I have this thread. And I lost my thread, like feeder thing. I gotta make this really long.
go. This is kind of a failed challenge for me because I'm pretty sure I just lost my needle. And that is not good.
So, my shirt is kind of coming along. So I don't know the first thing about making a shirt. I've never made a shirt, but oh, where'd my threader go? Okay, I'm good. Okay, so I don't know what to do. Okay, so I would need to cut a neck hole and armholes. Okay, well, I guess that's a good place to start. I don't know. Okay, well, give it a shot. How big of a neck do I need? Maybe here? Should it be a low-cut shirt? I don't think she wants pencil on her shirt, though. Wait. Okay.
I'm like sweating right now. So much pressure. Oh, I just pricked myself again.
Wait, this doesn't even look like a shirt. Well, I don't know how to make a shirt. How do we do this? So, I would have to... I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, well, this is a little long for a shirt, but, well. So, there are more than one ways I know I can make a shirt, but, so, should I make it so this is the sleeve, so about here?
No. She was eating the thread. Ah, I just poked myself. That didn't feel good. Oh no. This is such an awkward angle. No, Feeny girl, get up please.
We'll give it a shot. Wait, how fast should this be? Alright, I got plenty of room. Oh my. I have 15 minutes. Okay. Well, this'll work. So about here is where I need to make my next incision. It looks like a hospital gown. Okay, so what do we do now? Figure out how to trim that down. Wait, how long is this? This looks like a dress. It needs to be cut some more. Too short. Nah, it's fine. Oh well. Oh, there's someone at the door.
Oh, who's here? The doorbell just rang.
How much time do I have left? Oh shoot, 5 minutes. Oh, this is not enough time. That's not enough time!
That's... Guys, I did it! I did it! I don't know if it'll fit her though. Oh well. So, I can't believe I did it and I have time to spare.
Did you want me to ask you if you're on track?
Huh? What's on track mean?
I don't know, you guys have like 2 minutes left?
I'm done. So, alright. So,
It's actually pretty good. I want to wear that.
hmm?
I want to wear that.
You can try it on after her.
Yes. I want to wear that.
But, we have, hold on. We have one.
Can we add on like 5 minutes? I can't find my threader.
Time's up.
But I'm not done!
Come out.
But no, I'm not done.
She failed. She's not done. Olivia's done.
What?
I love her. Sure.
Ugh! I'm not done yet. Okay, so we finished our shirts and I'm going to hand her my bag so she can get ready to see her awesome shirt. Just so you're aware, I didn't finish the sleeves.
Ew, it's ugly.
Oh! Ooh, little doll big. This is nice.
Wait.
It's a Barbie shirt.
See, you're Wait, what didn't you finish? You actually took your time. I didn't take my time. I was struggling because I thought I wouldn't get it done. My God.
Okay, I wore a tank top so that I could get it on.
I wore a tank top too.
Okay, which side does it matter? Which
It doesn't
side?
matter.
Okay.
So this is. Oh, geez, Sydney, you did.
I told you I didn't finish. Okay, this is my shirt. I'm gonna attempt
See,
to put
I
this
finished
on.
it.
Okay, where's the sleeve? What? There's like a bunch of holes all over the sleeve.
There's no sleeves.
I told you I didn't finish. I can't get my arm through the sleeve.
Just shove it through.
I can't.
You don't put shirts on right. There. See, it doesn't look that bad.
It's my shirt. Okay, well, if the sleeves actually worked how they were supposed to. Because I didn't finish. Oh, it's beautiful. Looks like a hospital gown.
That's what your mom was saying. She said it looked like scrubs.
Oh, it's beautiful. I love it.
It's
I need to finish it. The sleeve is coming undone.
Don't rip it. Well, got it.
I think so. Thank you for watching, everybody. Who won? Probably her, because my shirt failed.
Comment down below who you think won.
It wasn't
Oh,
me.
also comment more requests. This was a request challenge, by the way.
Yep, this one was requested, but we
Why
didn't
do
have
you why do you take it off that way?
I don't know, because I was afraid that if I took it off over my head,
Here,
my
here.
shirt would fly up.
Sit.
My tank top's flying up. Hang on.
Sit down and I'll pull it over.
Okay.
So put your arms up.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Ugh. This is nice. Oh, hair. Oh. Yay!
Comment down below more requests
I love my Barbie.
and
And we
who
will
won.
try to get to them, yep. Alright, so now we made some improvements on our shirts. I finished the sleeves. And now we're going to try them on a second time just to make sure they fit and work.
I just kind of fixed some of the parts that I kind of rushed on, so.
It actually has sleeves now. It shouldn't flop over. Okay, here you go. I'm not sure which one's the front.
But doesn't
Okay.
matter.
It smells like fabric. I wonder why. Hang on, I gotta get my arm. Where's the other sleeve? There it is. Alright, I'm gonna
Comfortable.
stand up and pull my shirt down. That way you can see it.
Well,
Alright, here.
here's like lots of loose threads.
Yes, sorry, I didn't really cut them short enough because.
I mean, other than that, it just kind of looks like scrubs. Like your mom's.
I mean,
Like a hospital gown.
it looks like a shirt.
Like,
Alright,
that
here-
looks weird. Like,
Alright, here's the final spin of my shirt.
I couldn't get any good faces because they're all, well, there's one. There's a good one right there. Right there.
Alright, there's the
I
final
guess
spin
I
of
can
my
do the
shirt.
final spin.
Yes. It's a low cut shirt, apparently.
Not really.
The back is. Maybe the back should be the front.
Well, oh well. We still did a good job.
Maybe this will be my night shirt. I'll wear it to bed tonight.
You're
I should wear
actually-
that to bed. We're having a sleepover. We should wear our shirts to bed tonight. And see how they hold up.
Then you are cutting the threads. If I'm
Here,
wearing
okay,
it.
where's the thread? Where's the thread? I will cut your thread.
Okay, you have 25 minutes now. Okay. Here's my fabric. It's Barbie. Okay, now I gotta make a shirt. So, this is, you can't see anything. So, oh wait, Sydney? Sydney? I don't have any scissors or anything. I don't have any scissors or anything.
Oh. 25. I need to unfold my fabric. Hang on. Ugh. Wow, it's like a blanket. What? Alright, I'll pause. What? Oh. Alright, hang on. Let me restart the video.